So one of the pieces of digital ministry that often doesn't get talked about is how it can address ableism in our communities, right? And how we might be able to use digital tools as a way to be more expansive in our welcome of all people who can be involved. Andrew, can you speak a little bit to that and how that's worked in Incredible Days?
Yeah, thank you for asking that really important question because when we talk about making our ministries accessible to all people, I think that we need to remember that that means more than racial inclusivity, which is a really important part of generous welcome to all, but it's not the end all and be all. And so when we think about who is able to access our ministries and our programs for mission work, for outdoor ministry, I think it's important to consider people of all differing physical and mental abilities. And so when we think about our traditional short-term mission engagements, the soup kitchen, the van ride down to Appalachia to build houses, or volunteering in some urban setting, those may be opportunities that are really difficult for people for a variety of physical reasons. I've worked with intergenerational programs where I have older folks that are really excited about doing the work all day long, but they have concerns about being too far from healthcare facilities, or that they don't think that they can sleep on a 1-inch foam mattress in a little bunk bed in a crowded bunk room at night because they got a sleep apnea machine or their back is bad, right? At the same time, construction sites are not very viable places for people in wheelchairs or who have other limited sort of mobility issues. And so using digital opportunities to engage mission work can open up whole new avenues to people who have physical constraints. And so I think that's a really important thing to consider about who we're reaching out to and who we're inviting to be a part of our mission work right now, and potentially with our outdoor ministries as well. Along with that, I think we need to be cognizant that there are some abilities which are challenged by the digital space. People with blindness and deafness, we need to think about how we make special accommodations so that we're appropriately serving those populations with our ministry as well.
Yeah, that's hugely important. Thank you.